My brother
Wontumi should cool down. He should cool down. He doesn't own this party.
Number one sign,
Assisting chairman. They should be ashamed of themselves because they couldn't decide for the party.
So be me subscribe button now click the bell notification icon no so now man himself for the past 1 week 2 weeks media chema Wontumi a trendy on social media so me I can say the month of June ebesi July it has all been about chema Wontumi for the right and wrong reasons, mostly for the wrong reasons. Now me sure say week here by you so the obesan a trend ni na ne say Enra do MPP delegates conference na congress na a course no chema Wontumi na openly or supported John Boydu. In fact, before even class election ebe course no cra or making some utterances in his quest say obe declare the support Ediama John Boydu.
It's non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. Be a person who John Boydu. I contest the other person.
It's Enra Congress na say and the nature said chema Wontumi assign a display or on a way and the Honorable Kennedy Agyapong abeti chema Wontumi warning after say Congress no about one eba ne we ya say nyoma mu de pefe say enipa chema Wontumi supporting the John Boydu no say Wontumi amfa General Secretary position ni biom ama say JFK ehwim sa position no e dey mfidi sim eno and Honorable Kennedy Agyapong a say ono so ehwe nim say Obaba flag bearer of the NPP no and so edited that chema Wontumi was say cool down because NPP party no enye ne dia and do say na no o display or event na say e was sports stadium hono no e twa ye nti be anka chema Wontumi oyo no akede Japan nua nanso saade no ye ne dia e was so cool down no kofie e kosua e ho enyansa yenkoti ensema Honorable Kennedy Agyapong edited ya ne bi embra
with regards all of the events that we've been seeing in the last few hours. The Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, he's here with us. He as well has been throughout the process, has witnessed it all. The Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, speak to us. What will be your general assessment of everything that we've seen in the last 12 hours plus?
Honestly, the organization itself is nice, but we're extremely late. That African time shouldn't be so again. I mean, people have been here for so long. If we had started a time allocated, like 10 o'clock, by now we would have gone home. But aside that, I think it has been free and fair. My concern was to make sure that the election is free and fair. And so far, it's free and fair. The voice of the voices and people are told that if you starve the grassroots and it comes to them last minute, they'll vote against you. No authority. And I say, I've said it several times, no authority will change the grassroots because you didn't know them. And when you want power, you know them. They will vote against you. And the signal is clear to every senior member of this party not to come openly and raise hands. The 15th chairman and the central regional chairman, all the 16 chairman, they should be ashamed of themselves because they couldn't decide for the party. My brother Wontumi should cool down. He should cool down. He doesn't own this party. But he doesn't at all. He has to cool down.
What's informing this?
Yes, because the way he was behaving and whipping all chairmen to raise their hands reluctantly. You see, all of them have been embarrassed. If it had been anywhere, all the chairmen will resign. All the chairmen will resign. I mean, look, how can I have learned my lesson that the disunity in the party stems from the fact that leaders of the party we openly support. So this time I said to get unity in the party, I'm not openly going to support anybody. If you are good and the people believe in your work, they'll vote for you. So I stayed away. But for the first time in the history of MPP political party, you see 15 chairmen raising their hands because they've been whipped. They've been disgraced. That is all I can tell you. They should go and sleep and learn sense. That if you're a party chairman, you stab your people underground there, you cannot change their mind.
It's a phone as a muti and it's a semi honorable Kennedy Agyapong a road go honomo after say Enra Congress no eba ni we aches obia ehun the smoothness level aches chema Wontumi asasi radio kra ebisa ne nsema na Wontumi enkasa odeni na ese Yakopon ensa no na gise Wontumi se Wontumi kra na ne ho edwin amache se afa so no wa fere kakra because openly no o declare the support edema John Boedu ache se otutu ayampia edema ne omo a omo ne John Boedu o contesting nyina na isa akukensie ni be wi ya na John Boedu ntumi retain the position our new patriotic party no no and honorable Kennedy Agyapong this message we ma Wontumi any chairman onu Wontumi no ehwepi omo so mu ina ko support John Boedu no or this message we ma mu so mu ina akofia omo nkosua nyansa na omo sesa every omakwan dada no eho se ne bia next time omo repeat sa mistake no ebiom eyesa ede confusion ene basabasa yo ene ya eba party ne emu aha gossip 24 message also be me subscribe button so now wa click the notification icon na follow your Facebook, Instagram, net Twitter maybe gossip24.com and gossip24 TV Macau.
Also have the chairman of the Ashanti region. Yes, the governor mayor, but they'll call him, of the MPP in the Ashanti region, Chairman Wontumi. Chairman, your live on Asasi Radio. How has the conference been so far? I'm sure for those of you who are watching us on Facebook, YouTube, you can see the gestures he's making, but on radio you cannot see. So he is making some signs pointing to the heavens, but maybe you can put it into words for us. Okay, so just give us 1 or 2 words and we'll go. Okay, so Chairman Wontumi has been communicating in signs and gestures.
To come openly and raise hands. The 15th chairman and the Central Regional Chairman, all the 16 chairmen, they should be ashamed of themselves. But they couldn't decide for the party. My brother Wontumi should cool down. He doesn't own this party. But he doesn't at all. He has to cool down.
What's informing this?
Yes, because the way he was behaving and whipping all chairmen to raise their hands reluctantly. You see, all of them have been embarrassed. If it had been anywhere, all the chairmen will resign. All the chairmen will resign. I mean, look, how can I have learned my lesson that there is